During dangerous weather situations, the specially built radios are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the warning alarm tone are normally conducted at this time every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather threatens the area during the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the first good weather day. This warning alarm tone will be activated for watches, warnings, and selected statements affecting a specific county based on the transmitter you are listening to. For exact coverage areas, please check our international page. Receipt of the warning alarm tone will vary at any given location, especially distances from the transmitter and in large buildings. This now concludes the weekly warning alarm test. We now return to our normally scheduled programming.
Yes! Early activation! No time for a scroll!
Here is the forecast for selected sites along the Mississippi River as of 9 a.m. Wednesday.
This is going to be the longest video.
The forecast for Thursday is 10.0, Friday 10.6, and on Saturday 10.9. At Wabasha,
That's weather
the forecast
tracker.
for Thursday is 9.3, Friday 9.6, and on Saturday 9.8. At Alma Danforth, the forecast for Thursday is
Whoa, look at that.
7.1, Friday 7.6, and on Saturday 7.9.
Weather
At Winona,
tracker.
the forecast for Thursday is 7.8, Friday 7.8, and on
That's
Saturday
Zongar.
7.9.
Zongar weather
At La
tracker
Crosse,
must
the
die.
forecast for Thursday is 7.8, Friday 8.0,
Finally!
and on Saturday
11:10
7.9.
done!
At Lansing, the forecast for
Hey,
Thursday is
300,
8.8, Friday 9.0, and on Saturday 9.1. The Rochester, Minnesota climate summary for the month of June 2020. The maximum temperature for the period was 93.
Let's just check the other
The
FM.
maximum occurred on June 2nd. The minimum temperature was 49. The minimum occurred on June 14th. The average temperature was 69.9 degrees, which is 2.3 degrees above the normal average temperature of 67.6 degrees. A total of 4.65 inches of precipitation fell during the period, which is 0.03 inches below the normal amount of 4.68. No snow fell during the period, which is normal.